Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics, chapter 3, pair of linear equation, two variables. Lecture number 3 now we have. In the last lecture we have seen the pair of linear equations, exercise 3.1, first two questions we have seen, and pair of linear equation, if they are given, how to plot the graphical representation of the pair of linear equations we have seen. Now, graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. We will get the solution of pair of linear equation by graphical method. So, as you know that two lines will have two types of equations. Means pair of linear equations they will have in two variables. So, some example we will understand something relation between the algebraic expression and graphical representation. Between that some relations are there that we will understand, as we have seen in the first lecture also, that if two lines will be in the plane, they will intersect each other, they will be parallel to each other, they will be coincident on each other. Three situations we know, and from these three situations which type of interpretations are there we will understand here with example. So first pair of lines, example given, x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. This is one pair of lines given. Two lines are given, means pair of lines are given. And we will see that a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, the ratios. a1 upon a2, as we know that in standard form, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. A1 and A2 are the coefficients of x in both the lines. B1 and B2 are coefficients of y, C1 and C2 are coefficients of are constant terms. So here the coefficient of x is 1, here the coefficient of x is 3. So this is A1 is 1 upon A2 is 3. So A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 3. Similarly, B1 upon B2 means quotient of y we have to see. Here minus 2 and here 4 plus 4, so minus 2 upon 4. C1 upon C2 means constant upon constant. Here constant term is 0, no term is there, so 0 upon here constant term is minus 20. So that is here minus 20. Now compare the ratio. Here you will see A1 upon A2 is totally different from B1 upon B2. So A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, because if you simplify this, you will get minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are different. So A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. When you represent it graphically, they will be intersecting line. Both the lines will be intersecting at one point. At one point, that means algebraic interpretation is exactly one solution it will have. Only one solution it will have. This is the one of the examples. Second example, a pair of lines are 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Here also a1 upon a2 means quotient of x 2 upon 4. b1 upon b2 means quotient of y, that is 3 upon 6. Constants ratio is minus 9 upon minus 18. Here you see, you simplify 2 upon 4 by cancelling it will give 1 by 2. 3 upon 6 also by cancelling 3 it will give 1 by 2. Minus 9 upon minus 18 by minus 9 if you cancel both the sides 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, all the ratio will be. Means all three ratios are same. That is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. If this happens, then the graphical representation, when you draw the lines of both equation, you will get coincident lines, right? And its algebraic interpretation is infinitely many solutions it will have. How many solutions? Infinitely many solutions for coincident line. Third example is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Again, a1 upon a2 means quotient of x 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 means quotient of y 2 upon 4, and c1 upon c2 means constant term minus 4 upon minus 12. Here you will see 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, but 2 by 4 we cancel by 2, it will also be 1 by 2. When you cancel here minus by minus 4, this will be 4 1s are 4 and 3 is 12. So it will be 1 by 3. These two are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is 1 by 3. So A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. But C1 upon C2 is not equal. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 upon C2. So this type of relation, if the ratios have comparison of ratio have, the graphical representing, when you represent these two lines on graph, you will find that they will be parallel lines. And if they are parallel lines, they will not intersect each other. So no solution will be. No solution. So by this, the conclusion here we have done from the table, if two lines represented by the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the two lines as in the general form you know. So if number one, they are intersecting, then what happens? When they will intersect, if the ratio is a1 upon a2 upon b1 upon b2 is not equal. So a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. And they have unique solution. How many solutions it will have? Unique means exactly one and only one solution it will have. And this type of equation, when they are having unique solution or intersecting, they are called consistent pair of equation. Consistent pair of equation. When they are called, if they are intersecting each other or having unique solution. Second situation, if two lines are coincident, that time the ratio will be a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. That is different. And how many solutions they will have? Infinitely many solutions they have. At that time also they are called consistent pair of equation. If they have only one solution, then also they are consistent. If they have many solutions, then also they are consistent. Third number, if they are parallel, then the ratio condition will be a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. That is another written. And have no solution. It will have no solution because they will be parallel lines. On this time, they are called inconsistent pair of equation. So when we say consistent and when we say inconsistent, if we have solution and whether it is one or many, if means in a graphical way, if the two lines are intersecting each other or coincident on each other, then they are consistent pair of linear equation. Consistent when they have, if unique solution or infinitely many solutions, means intersecting or coincident, and in that two cases, the pair of linear equation is called consistent. And if they are parallel, two lines are parallel, they are not intersecting each other, they have no solution, and they are called inconsistent pair of linear equations. So this type of information and related to that algebraic expression, graphical representation, on the basis of that how many solutions it will have and how many solutions it will have, on the basis of that which type of equation we can see consistent or inconsistent. So when we say consistent, if they have solution, whether it is one or many. If they have solution, they are consistent. If they have no solution, they are inconsistent. Okay, so this way, this table and this conclusion about the table, from the table we have to write and understand the things. So now in next lecture we will see how to find graphical method or solution of pair of linear equation. Before this, the information was required, so we have written this all information, and then in next coming examples we will see how to get the solution of pair of linear equation.